In essence and by nature, we are farmers. Our work starts with the soil. We start here to make our commitment of cultivating well-being a reality. We do this by putting our hands together to reap the future in the communities where we have a presence. We create strategies to preserve the environment and thus leave a better planet for our future generations. We create the opportunities for our people, and thus we help improve their and their families' quality of life. We promote the development of the territories and strengthen the economy of our country. At Grupo Empresarial GreenLand, we are agents for change. We are convinced that sustainability is a way to leave a positive footprint on the world, and we understand its main objective: meet the needs of current generations without compromising the needs of future generations, and at the same time, guarantee the balance between economic growth, respect for the environment, and social well-being. Based on our sustainable strategy, we promote social and economic progress and good environmental practices in order to create well-being in the regions where we operate, hand in hand with the communities, to build a country and create a better social future. This way, we contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Objectives, where we emphasize our actions aimed at achieving the end of poverty and inequality and ensure that people can improve their lives by 2030. From our point of view, for several years, Grupo GreenLand has managed our materiality, which consists of the most relevant issues. We have defined it taking into account the changes in the environment, the dynamics of the sector, and the expectations of our stakeholders. Our actions. At Grupo Empresarial GreenLand, we have a corporate government that is characterized by transparency, integrity, and good conduct. We have our corporate governance and ethics code, which covers the ethical policies, standards, and policies that guide the actions of each and everyone in the group. Our environmental footprint. Taking care of the planet as part of our essence as a group. We want the environment to remain the home of thousands of wild animals and the source of life for our natural ecosystems. For them, we established actions aimed at preserving and recovering the environment used as conservation areas and provide food and shelter for the fauna and flora that lives in nature. We are constantly developing mitigation plans to help the environment, and at the same time, we strengthen the development of our operations through good practices. We have planted over 40,000 native trees. This enables us to breathe clean air and continue working hand in hand with the forests to produce fertile soils, keep the rivers clean, and protect water resources. We are aware that everything is a source of life. This is why we are constantly measuring our water footprint. We help preserve the quantity, quality, and availability of this resource that is valuable for the ecosystems and surrounding communities. We use recirculation processes to make efficient use of water in our operations. Additionally, in our production and administration processes, we implement the best practices for the appropriate management of any discharges. Our operations are carbon neutral certified. We use non-conventional energy to innovate our eco-efficiency processes. Through this certification and the mitigation plans, we contribute to the country's environmental goals and the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). We developed a circular economy model through which we collect the materials from our farming activities to recycle them or reuse them as cardboard, oils, or straps. And we use the fruit that is not exportable to help the communities by providing a nutrient-rich food. Our people. The people who work with those are the core of our organization. Together, we turn our goal of the nurturing well-being into a reality. We create equal opportunity jobs and promote a safe and healthy environment where our team can develop their human and professional components. Our communities. We improve the quality of life in the communities within the territories where we are present, hand in hand with our GreenLand FGL Foundation, by managing 4 strategic pillars: education for life, health for the well-being of the families, social and competitive sports and culture, and housing beyond the walls and community infrastructure. Responsible value chain. We are focused on strengthening our responsible value chain, one in which our products show the results of our planning, process control, and operating excellence. We manage our business independently, and we become integrated to align our group in the specialization of each line. We are constantly looking to improve our value proposition by fulfilling our commitments and delivering a high-quality product that meets your needs and stands out of the market. We give our clients a high-quality product that exceeds their expectations. This way, we reinforce a close relationship with them and work every day towards that end, measuring people's perception of our services and using our resources and processes in an innovative approach that makes improvement possible. We are an agri-industrial group that generates value, nurtures well-being, and builds a path towards a possible, healthy, and balanced life for future generations.